Okay, this is Don N5SKT. I'm gonna make a shot at running this in the park. I've got this, got the Delta loop up. We got it set up. I changed out the thing for the balun for another 4-to-1 that's smaller and lighter. I think I said in the other video I was going to try to do that. Yeah, if anybody knows me, I'm not a big ICOM fan, but I don't know, I'm liking this radio more and more that I use it, that I'm in somewhere where I'm not even, where the OVF light doesn't come and plague me so much. And you can hear POTA's, or the FT8's coming in. This is CQ WPX SSB weekend, and there's no way that I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna record contacts. I may pop in just in a minute or two and show you that I'm making some contacts, but I'm not gonna really go through it. And yeah, I'm gonna run FT8 because, again, SSB contest. Now I could do some POTA on 12 or 17. This thing will tune 12 and 17 pretty well, but I'm just not going to do that today because I've got to get out of here pretty quickly. But I wanted to give it a test anyway. So I'm going to stitch this with the other one in a little while. Yeah, I'm getting in there and making contacts. That's not been a problem, and the radio seems happy. See, there's my SWR. Of course, I do have the tuner on, and with a Delta loop, you do need a tuner. It will tune most of the bands. I'm sure this is resonant on something, and so if it's resonant on 15, it would probably show up on with no SWR. Anyway, I think I'm gonna switch this guy. I've got about 5 contacts already, so I'm gonna switch, but and we're gonna go back to calling CQ, and because I've tried a few times to get him. He was the 3rd one on the list, so anyway, just to let y'all know, this is it's a nice day in Texas. I think it's maybe it's 70 degrees out here, and I think they're setting up over there, I'm pretty sure, for a barbecue. And this is Purtis Creek State Park, US 3050, and I'm just kind of in the visitor area. The camping area here is just absolutely full, so it's not doing. I mean, it's park's doing well, and this park is literally like 5 minutes from my house, maybe, probably not, closer than that. Anyway, let's do one more thing while I'm thinking about it. Well, this thing goes ahead and calls CQ. Let's go to Google. And yes, this is a crap top. And unfortunately, let's see if we can. Yeah, here comes Google. And Google's going to go through the phone to try to get. No, don't. I'm not going to do that. All I'm going to do is do PSK reporter. Okay, displays reception reports. And this is actually pretty quick for being out in the deal. And we want to switch to, come on. It's going to be slow, probably pulling the map in. And again, I'm sorry about the glare on the screen. I'm not sure I can do anything about that short of attempting to see it to do it. And then I can't tell if this is in focus or not. So now we got to go to 15 meters and go. So there's the map with 15. I wish that was easier to see. Anyway, 15, I'm getting out into Europe. Probably not. Let's see, where did that come up with? Minus 21 out there in Spain, minus 13. Earlier this morning I was getting into Australia, so it's doing all right. Anyway, I'm going to go back to work in contacts, and so I can try to activate this park and see. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I don't know, for whatever reason I'm not picking that guy up, and then I've got a guy in Yankee Victor out in Venezuela trying to get me. So let me see, let me pay attention to what I'm doing here and stop the filming, but that's, this seems to be working fine. Okay, I'm coming to the end of my run where I'm going to have to tear stuff down and pull everything down. I've worked Croatia and quite a bit of DX actually, and mostly on 12. I'm running 17 right now. Just retuned a little bit and ran 17. And antenna's still up. I did check the heat a few minutes ago on that balun, because I've pretty much been out here about an hour of runtime on FT8, and it's not hot to the touch at all. It seems fine, and I've been watching the SWR, and when I'm transmitting, I'm not seeing any rise in the SWR per se. It's the same no matter what. I am kind of curious. Oh crap, you know what? Well, that's the volume. Okay, never mind. So there we are in transmit. What, maybe an S or 1 I don't know, 1.9 maybe. Hard for me to say from this radio, but anyway, not doing too bad. I'm getting another response. I think again this is going to be the end. Most of my U.S. contacts are like I'm getting here. I'm receiving this guy as a 27, and he's giving me a +2. Again, I don't know precisely where he is, but anyway, I'll post a final. Hopefully I can do one of those QSO maps. I'm not real good at that, figuring out exactly how to get that, but post one of those, and we'll kind of see where things go from there. I'm just using WSJTX's built-in log. That's another reason I came out and did POTA that way today. So anyway, I think I'm going to shut it down, pack things up, and it doesn't take long to put this up. I think it took me maybe 5 minutes to put it up, but you know, it is what it is. 73, Ston in 5 SKT.